Are you ready to embark on a thrilling journey from $0 to $500? Are you eager to discover how to make money online without breaking a sweat? Look no further. In this video, we will explore 5 incredible ways to earn $500 or more each week, all from the comfort of your own home. Get ready to learn new skills, unleash your creativity, and watch your income soar to new heights. So sit back, relax, and get ready to turn your life around with these amazing opportunities. Number 1. The allure of online surveys, unveiling the power of your opinions. Have you ever thought that your opinions could put money in your pocket? Welcome to the world of online surveys where your feedback can be converted into cash. Numerous companies are eager to hear what you have to say and are willing to pay you for your insights. It's a fantastic way to share your thoughts while earning some extra cash. But here's the best part. Many websites will pay you up to $500 for participating in surveys. Can you imagine getting paid to express your opinions? It's like getting paid to talk about the things you love. These surveys cover a wide range of topics, so there's always something interesting for everyone. From product reviews to market research, your input is highly valued and can make a significant impact. The great thing about online surveys is that they offer flexibility. You can choose to participate whenever and wherever you like. It's a perfect side hustle for those who want to earn some extra income on the go. So if you have a few spare moments, log on to survey websites and start sharing your opinions today. Who knows, you might just be the next person to earn $500 or more from online surveys. 2. Unleashing the potential of content creation, turning your passions into profit. Are you passionate about a particular topic, or do you have valuable knowledge to share with the world? Content creation might be the perfect way for you to earn $500 or more each week. With the rise of social media platforms, video sharing platforms, and blogs, there's a huge demand for engaging and informative content. And guess what? You can be part of this booming industry. People are making a fortune by creating content that educates, entertains, or inspires others. Whether you're a tech guru, a beauty enthusiast, a fitness fanatic, or anything in between, your passion can be monetized. Imagine getting paid to share your expertise and reach a global audience. It's like getting paid to talk about the things you love. The best part is that content creation offers flexibility. You can choose to create content whenever and wherever you like. It's a perfect side hustle for those who want to earn some extra income on their own terms. So if you have a passion you want to turn into profit, it's time to unleash your inner content creator. Who knows? You might just be the next big thing. 3. The gig economy revolution, cashing in on freelancing opportunities. The gig economy is booming and freelancing has never been more popular. If you have a particular skill that you can offer, such as writing, graphic design, web development, or virtual assistance, you can easily find clients online and earn $500 or more each week. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect freelancers with businesses looking for their services. It's a win-win situation. Businesses get access to a pool of talented freelancers, and you can set your own rates and work at your own pace. It's like being your own boss. The gig economy offers flexibility and freedom. You can choose the projects you want to work on and work whenever and wherever you like. It's a perfect opportunity for those who want to earn some extra income on their own terms. So if you have a skill to offer, it's time to dive into the gig economy. Who knows? You might just be the next big thing. 4. The e-commerce boom, riding the wave of online selling. The e-commerce industry is growing rapidly, and now is the perfect time to start selling online and earn $500 or more each week. With platforms like Shopify and Wix, you can create your own website and sell products from the comfort of your home. You don't need to invest a lot of money to get started. Many successful online stores have started with just a few $100s. The best part is that you can sell anything you want online. If you have a knack for finding unique and trendy products, you can dropship them directly to your customers. This means you don't have to handle any inventory or shipping logistics. It's like having your own store without the hassle of managing products. The e-commerce industry offers endless possibilities, and with the right products and marketing strategies, you can achieve massive success. So if you're looking to ride the wave of the e-commerce boom, it's time to start your online store today. Who knows? You might just be the next big thing in online selling. 5. Mastering the art of social media management, growing an audience and generating income. In today's digital age, businesses are constantly seeking professionals who can help them navigate the ever-growing world of social media. As a social media manager, you can help businesses grow their online presence, engage with their target audience, and ultimately drive sales. The demand for skilled social media managers is higher than ever, and many businesses are willing to pay top dollar for your expertise. If you have a passion for social media and enjoy creating engaging content, then becoming a social media manager could be the perfect opportunity for you to earn $500 or more each week. It's a career that offers flexibility, creativity, and the chance to work with a variety of businesses. So if you're ready to take your career to new heights, it's time to learn the art of social media management. Who knows? You might just be the next big thing in the industry. Conclusion: embracing the journey towards financial success. Congratulations! You've now discovered 5 incredible ways to earn $500 or more each week from the comfort of your own home. From online surveys to content creation, the gig economy, e-commerce, and social media management, the opportunities are endless. Now it's time to embrace the journey towards financial success. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Explore new possibilities and pursue the opportunities that excite you the most. Remember, hard work, dedication, and persistence are the key ingredients to achieving your financial goals. So go forth, embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and watch your income soar to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening adventure. We hope that this video has inspired you to take action and start earning money online. Remember, the first step is often the hardest, but once you get started, the possibilities are truly endless. Good luck and happy earning.